Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pizza puffs at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground sausage or pepperoni, an 8-ounce can of rich tomato sauce, and 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Don't forget 1 package of refrigerated crescent roll dough for that perfect crust. We'll also use 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning and a small pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Getting everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the heart of our pizza puffs, the flavorful filling. Begin by browning your ground sausage or pepperoni in a skillet over medium heat until it's completely cooked through. Once done, make sure to drain any excess grease thoroughly. This keeps our puffs from being too oily. Next, stir in the 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and that pinch of red pepper flakes. Let this mixture simmer gently for about 5 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. With our delicious filling ready, it's time for the fun part, assembly. Carefully unroll your package of refrigerated crescent roll dough and separate it into its 8 individual triangles. Take about 2 generous tablespoons of your meat mixture and place it onto the wide end of each dough triangle. Then, sprinkle approximately 1 tablespoon of shredded mozzarella cheese over the filling. Finally, starting from the wide end, gently roll up each triangle towards the narrow point, forming a neat little puff. This ensures all the goodness stays inside. Almost there, now it's time to bake our wonderful pizza puffs. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your assembled puffs on a baking sheet, leaving a little space between each one. Bake them for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are puffed up perfectly. Once out of the oven, let them cool for a few minutes before serving. They'll be quite hot. Enjoy these warm, cheesy delights, perhaps with a side of marinara for dipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.